How to apply for student loan NG. First of all, you start by creating an account. Step 1, visit nelf.gov.ng. Step 2, click on the Apply Now icon. Step 3, click on the Get Started icon. Step 4, answer the questions on this page, then continue by clicking on Yes, I am a Nigerian. Step 5, verify your educational information. You will be required to select your school from a drop-down and provide your matric number to check if your school has uploaded your details. Step 6, click the Verify with JAMB and enter your JAMB details on the screen. Note that students whose NIN have not been registered with JAMB will have an input field where they can enter their NIN for validation. Step 7, create an account by entering your email address, password and confirmation password in the fields provided and then click Create Account. Step 8, click the email verification link sent to your email, and this concludes the process of creating an account. Secondly, how to complete your profile. After successful registration, log in by clicking the Login button. Step 1, enter your email address and password to log in. Step 2, click on the Proceed to Contact Details button. Step 3, update contact details with the current information of your phone number, your full residential address, state of residence, and local government area of residence, and click Proceed to Educational Details. Step 4, update your educational details by selecting your higher institution and inputting your matric number, then click Proceed to Account Details. Step 5, verify your BVN by entering your BVN, select your bank name and enter your account number, then click Save Changes to complete your profile. Lastly, loan application. Step 1, click on the Request for Student Loan button at the top right of the screen on the Home or Loans page after logging into the application. Step 2, if you want an upkeep loan, click the checkbox and click Continue, and if all you need is the institutional charge, click the Continue button. Step 3, upload your supporting documents. The admission letter is compulsory, however the student ID and institution invoice are optional. Click the checkbox for the policy and declaration and then click Continue. Step 4, read the loan overview and click the checkboxes for both the terms and conditions and GSI mandates, then click Submit Application. Step 5, click on the Loans button to view the status of your application.